Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're gonna answer some questions regarding AtmelStudio. How to build hex file of the source code, what is the directory of the hex file where it is stored, hex file is not built properly, and short way to update hex file. First thing we will see is the directory of our project and the position of hex file. First of all, we will save the project. The project is saved. Now we will see the directory of this project. Documents, AtmelStudio. Going to the documents, AtmelStudio, AVR GCC1. This is the directory of our project, and I will tell you later. Now we will make the hex file of our source code. First step is to save, and then going to build, and then build AVR GCC. You will see the build has started, and we will wait for its final decision. You can see the build is failed. There is another problem. There is another problem which says build is failed. So you have to save again and then again build the solution. Now you're gonna build this file. Now you can see the build succeeded. Now we will go and check out our hex file. In this folder, in this directory, and in the debug folder, you can see our project hex file now has been created. Sometimes hex file is not proper updated or not showing the correct result. So there is another solution for this problem is go to build and clean the solution. You can use to clean succeeded. Go to build and clean the build problem. So the clean is again succeeded. Now to confirm this, go to this directory and you can see all files have gone. So we will again build the solution. Go and build the project. The project is failed. Build is failed. No problem. Save again and then build again. Build the project. The build is succeeded, and now again go back to the directory and you can see the hex file is again created and it might be updated. So this is the solution for our problem. And now the other question remains is how to use this hex file. Go to your Proteus or any software simulation software you are using for your simulation of the circuitry, and here is my circuit, and this is microcontroller 8Mega16. The hex file is only used for this microcontroller because I have gone through the settings in AtmelStudio to specify the current microcontroller at Mega16. So hex file can only be used at Mega16. Double tap on this microcontroller and you will see the program file. Go to this option, directory option, and then select this AVR GCC hex file and then open. Click OK. Hex file is now uploaded and it's time to check. Starting the simulation, and now you can see the channel 1 is selected, channel 0 and channel 1 is selected, mean this potentiometer or this analog sensor is working. As I'm changing the potentiometer value, the reading is showing on this code, means according to my code is working well. Now I'm changing the potentiometer, the channel is changed. Now this channel will work. No, this is not working, means this is it is working but is not showing on this port. This means now hex file is working properly and it is uploaded correctly. Please like, comment and share. Take care and Allah Hafiz.